Continuing with this book, Swami Vivekananda Life and Teachings, we have reached to chapter 8 at the Baranagore Mutt. The young monks could not stay at Kosipur for long since the rent was very high, but with the help of a devotee, they rented a small house at Baranagore. Here they established the first monastery of Ramakrishna order. The house was old and decayed. The garden was full of weeds. Cobras lived under the ground floor of the house, and local people believed there were ghosts in the house. It was a strange place, but the young monks lived there because the rent was cheap. It was also quiet and peaceful place. They were very poor. They were also poor. There were hardly enough clothes, and their food was not good. For months they had nothing to eat but rice and some boiled leaves. Naren and the other cared nothing for this. They thought only of God. Naren was the leader. He went to those boys who had returned home and persuaded them to join the monastery. Naren looked after them and inspired them to think of God. They meditated for long hours. They sang songs. They discussed the religious ideas of all sects and religions. They tried to follow everything that Sri Ramakrishna had taught them. During this period, they took the monastic vows of sannyas. They also took new names. Naren, however, did not take a permanent name, and when he wandered through India, he changed his name now and then. Sometimes he used to name Swami Vivekananda and sometimes other names. It is Swami Vivekananda. When people speak of him, now they often call him Swamiji. So, this was the turning point in Naren's life where he vowed for sannyas. So, we'll be switching to chapter 9 tomorrow. Whenever we meet. Till that time, thank you.